shooting at officers right now.
A wild chase on the streets and highways in and around Los Angeles.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my gosh, he was shooting his gun!
A murder suspect hanging outside of the window of the car he was riding in, firing back at officers in hot pursuit.
There he is, shooting at officers right there. Shots fired, shots fired.
The passenger who was wanted for questioning in the fatal shooting of a convenience store employee, opening fire as a Toyota Prius raced at high speed, trying to get away.
Guys, this is very dangerous here. Here we go. He's pointing a gun, shooting randomly.
Drivers caught in the crossfire. Thankfully, none of them seriously hurt. Finally, the car got stuck behind a truck with the shooter and the female driver both struck by gunfire.
Officers are shooting at that vehicle right now. Wow, wow, suspect is hit, suspect is down, suspect is down.
This is one that you're not going to let go. He has to be stopped. He's an immediate danger.
Unbelievable high-speed chase caught on camera in broad daylight. Bullets flying on the road as police move in on a murder suspect.
Oh my God!
Overnight, horrified drivers witnessing the moments authorities say a murder suspect raced through L.A. area streets. That suspect seen firing out the window of the passenger side while trying to outrun police in a heated pursuit.
The moment he got next to us, he pulled out the gun and he started shooting, and it was really insane.
Eventually, the driver getting boxed in. Officers get close and start firing back. Multiple rounds shattering the car windows. Investigators saying both the driver and suspect were hit. A bystander grazed by a bullet too. The driver, a woman, getting out of the car bloodied, stumbling to officers as she surrendered. Authorities say the shooter is the same man seen on this surveillance video, accused of killing a liquor store clerk just days earlier. During the 45-minute standoff, authorities deploying flashbang grenades, then sending in a canine, leaping through the driver's side. The accused shooter and murder suspect appearing unconscious, taken away on a stretcher.
Our follow-up was based on the work of our detectives along with some tips that we received from the public following the release of the video yesterday.
Now, the suspect was taken to the hospital to be treated for his injuries. Still no word on his condition. I worked in L.A. for a long time, covered chases. This is an example of just how bad it can get when everything goes wrong.
So why'd they send the dog in there?
If they're in a long standoff and they feel like the public is at risk, in this case you had other vehicles, bystanders who were there and bullets were flying. They want to end that standoff immediately, so they deployed the canine to try to take him into custody, and that's ultimately what enabled them to go in and put him into handcuffs.
Crazy story. I just kept thinking about what would I have done if I was nearby in a car with my own family.
Yeah.
Thank you, Whit.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.